Hi guys, what's up everybody? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if you're new here, I feel so much welcomed. So welcome once again to an insurance video. Here all we talk about insurance, and if you have any insurance, almost welcome. I really appreciate your response where you really need my help. Thank you so much even for listening to me, watching my videos, liking, subscribing. I can't take that for granted. I'm so much humbled, and all I can say is just to say thank you. So welcome once again to an insurance video where we just want to talk about a life insurance policies. Life insurance policies, they are very much important. I think it's only that people don't really understand what a life insurance really means and what is the benefit of having a life insurance. But having a life insurance with yourself is the most crucial thing that you'd ever wish to, because one, a life like a saving plan. You can take a life insurance where your life is covered. In case of any eventuality, your life is covered, and there are other importances of having a life insurance cover. One is that it helps in family income protection. This means that maybe you are the source, or you are the sole provider of your family. And in case of anything, life is so uncertain, and insurance comes in because life is very uncertain. No one knows what tomorrow holds for us. No one knows until when am I going to live. Things do happen, and those are accidents. Things do happen, diseases. And the best thing is to have a life insurance with yourself, because you are going to be able to to plan your life, to plan the life of your dependents, to plan the life of your loved ones. When you have a life insurance with yourself, maybe like the family income protection. If the family depends on you. When you're not there, what is going to happen? But when you have a life insurance, there is the kind of life that you used to give your people. When you have a life insurance cover, it's not going to replace you, but it's going to maintain the kind of life that you used to give your family. The best school that your kids used to go. That is the importance of having a life insurance. And something else is provision for the old age. Imagine you can take a life insurance cover for like a retirement plan. You take it like a retirement plan where you're not going to disturb your children when you grow old. You start planning yourself. And imagine, insurance is not expensive. You can even start with the smallest amount you have. It's all about sacrifice. You're sacrificing for uncertainty. When I grow old, what will happen? Will I be having somewhere to get money from? Will I be calling my children, oh, help me with this, help me with that? Because also they are building themselves. You don't need to disturb your children. Take a life insurance cover now that you have the energy, that you can be able to do, things by yourself. Something else, it encourages you in savings. It's something that will help you in saving. Like for me, to be honest, when I just say it's saving, like I'm saving in a circle, I'm saving with the bank, to be honest, I find myself withdrawing that money. But when you have a life insurance, it's somewhere that is disciplining you in savings, because it's something you have taken a long-term policy, like for 5 years, and you have to be saving every month, or quarterly, or half yearly, or yearly. Let me tell you one thing. You discipline yourself in saving. After 5 years, you're going to smile and be like, oh my God, I saved all this, plus all the bonuses, plus all the interest that it comes with a life insurance. So it's very, very good to take a life insurance. Something else, it can be used as an education policy. You as a parent, the only thing that you can give your kid, oh my God, it's a good education. And let me tell you one thing. Life insurance is not taken just because you're going to die. No. Life insurance is taken to assure, to ascertain the education, the continuity of the education of your kids. You know, even if you're there, even if you're not there, your children will still continue to go, to be educated, and to the highest level that you really wanted them to receive that education. So having a life insurance, it doesn't mean that you are taking an education policy until someone is telling you, take an education policy with us. Oh my God, you start thinking this person wants you to die. No. A life insurance policy will come in place whether you are alive or you are not. You want the best for your kid, and that is why when you take a life insurance, you are it's like certainty. You know, life is full of uncertainty. You have bought certainty. You know, my child has to go to school. Whether I'm there, whether I'm not there, my kid has to go to school. So life insurance cover, it is the most crucial thing that everyone listening, everyone under my voice, please, you need a life insurance cover. A life insurance cover, I have said, it's used in so many ways. You know, it can use even as a provision for housing. Maybe after 5 years, you want to own your own house. Start planning now. Sometimes, you know, when you say you're planning with, you are saving with a circle. It's good to save with a circle. It's good to save with the bank, that is the fixed deposit. But if you are able to afford insurance, please, my people under my voice, you need a life insurance with yourself. You need to take that life insurance. Either maybe either you can use it as a retirement plan, either you can use it, you know, to provide for your kids' school fees, or maybe you can use it to help you in savings. You know, you can be able to take a loan with your policy and start a business. You can be able to buy a land with your policy. You know, take that life insurance, and this is going even to advance your life, because the importance of a life insurance, the best thing is that it doesn't have a withholding tax. A withholding tax here, I mean, like when you're going to withdraw your money, you are taxed. Insurance, you're not taxed. If you're going to withdraw 1 million, it will be 1 million. That is the benefit of having a life insurance. So please, if you don't have a life insurance or if you have any question about a life insurance, kindly, maybe you can text and I can be able to address the issue. I can be able maybe also to give you a life insurance. This is my number. You can contact me anytime, any day, and I'm here to give you services, to give you insurance services all the time. Thank you so much, my people, for listening to me.